How to publish a Roblox game. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about publishing a Roblox game. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now publishing a Roblox game is super straightforward once you're done building it in the Roblox Studio. Now, once the Roblox is opened, go ahead and also open the Roblox Studio application on your device. Once it is opened, create a new game or update existing if this is your first time publishing the game. Tap on the game and open it. Then tap on the file in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Publish to Roblox. You can also press Alt plus P on your keyboard. A basic info page will open. From here, simply set the name for your game, write a description, set the creator, and also select the devices such as computer, phone, tablet, console, or VR. Enable the option of Team Create that will enable the collaboration and auto save to cloud. Also enable data sharing, and the data will be used to train Roblox Gen AI models unless you opt out by simply turning this off. Now tap on Create, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. The game is successfully now published in Roblox. Now to view the game, tap on Create in the top, then go to Creations, and here you will see the list of the games that you have created and published on Roblox. Tap on the three dots next to it and then tap on Configure this experience. You can edit the icon or thumbnail, set a new name, description, genre, set the privacy to public or private according to your choice, and then select the box of Enable Studio Access and Mesh and Image APIs, and then tap on Save Changes, and you'll be done. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you can share your game and copy the URL of the game page to share it with your friends. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.